Hello, boys and girls. I wish I had a blooper reel for the amount of times that I have tried to start this presentation. Anyway, thank you for joining me today to learn about informational writing. Writing is one of my favorite subjects because I feel like it's a really good way to express your creativity and to communicate your ideas. So, this is going to be the start of our informational writing, and you can get ready to write an informational report by choosing a topic, writing what you know, and creating a table of contents. Those are the things that you are going to be doing today. So, if you do not have a piece of paper and something to write with, go ahead and get that. Or if you're going to type it, that's fine too. But by the end of this video, you should have a topic chosen. You should write down everything that you know about that topic, and you should have a table of contents. This is a checklist that will be used at the end to check your writing. I think it's important that you look at it now so you know what the goals are. This is from iReady. So go ahead and take a look. And this is the second part that you will be looking at and things that you want to make sure are included. Okay, so let's get started because this is our end result, but we need to start at the beginning, not at the end. Okay, it says choosing a topic, science topic options. And March, you probably chose a topic that you wanted to research, but you might not remember that topic, or you might want to switch it up. So go ahead and think about which topic most interests you. And which topic do you know most about? There's the human body, space, plants, landforms, and weather. So I'm thinking about the ones that interest me most, and my top three choices are weather, space, and human body. Okay, so let me think about these. Well, weather I've written a lot of reports about, so I'm going to cross that off my list because I like to do something new. So I have human body and space. I think between those two, I'm going to choose space. Not just because I like it, but because my dad really likes space, and I thought that might be something that we could talk about together. Okay, so right now you are choosing which of these topics you would like to write about, or you can pick a different science topic to write about. Okay, so hopefully you have your topics, and you're going to tell me what your topic is in 3, 2, 1. Awesome, good job. Okay, after you've chosen your topic, you are going to do what's called a fast draft, or it's like a brainstorming session. That's the word I was looking for, brainstorming. So you're going to get your brain going, and you are going to write down every single thing you know about that topic. If you only wrote one thing down, then by golly, you need to go and choose a different topic. Okay, so now would be a good time to pause the video and write down everything you know about your topic. Okay, welcome back. I have already written down everything I know, as you can see. But the title of this slide is narrowing down my topic choice. Space is a big and vast thing. I could write a million things about space. I could write about the stars, the planets, the galaxies. I could write about this International Space Station, exploring space, the black hole, the belt that goes around. But that is just way too much to write about. So I'm going to narrow it down. I think that what I'm going to write about is, well, let's see. Here I'm talking about planets and planets. This is the sun and stars. This is all about the stars too. It kind of has to do with stars. Our moon that goes along with our planet. Here's another planet thing and another planet thing down here. This space station's like exploration. but I have 4 bullet points about planets. So I think that's what I'm going to write about. I think I am going to write about planets because if I write all about all of space, it's going to take me forever and a day to write this. Okay? So I'm just going to write about the planets. Now that I've narrowed down my topic, I can go to the next page. I want you to take a minute and I want you to narrow down your topic. Like if you chose the human body, you don't want to write about everything in the human body because that's a lot. Maybe you want to write about the skeletal system and the muscular systems. Or maybe you want to write about how to keep your body healthy. Okay, so think about what exactly you want to write about within your big topic. All right, so I am writing about planets. What I did next is I went and did some research. Now, I did not go and read a bunch of books. What I did is I went on Epic, and if you need help getting on Epic, you can ask your teacher. And I just looked at different table of contents in books about planets. Okay, so what I did, so I'm just going to pull out here, is I went to Epic Books for Kids, and I typed in the word, not like that, planets. Okay, and I looked at all of these different books on planets. And like, I'm not going to click on this one because this is about the sun and I want to do just planets. Okay, I don't know why I pulled that up. Last time I just hit planets and it searched all this stuff. Yeah, that's what I would like. Okay, so I clicked on it and I just looked at the table of contents so I can get an idea of what kind of table of contents I would like. Okay, so these are 2 that I found, and this names what is a planet. That's like the introduction. How do planets move? And then it named each of the different planets, except it grouped Uranus and Neptune together. And it gave me some more facts and ended down there with a glossary. Okay? This table of contents says looking for life. So it's kind of like exploring planets for life. What are planets? How do planets form? Where are planets found? Why do people study planets? And also includes a glossary. When I look at these 2, I think I feel more comfortable writing about each of the different planets than I do writing about these. I think I want to explore each of the different planets. But what I did is I didn't want to write all these different chapters because I just thought that was a little overwhelming for me. And so I grouped them into smaller categories again. Now this is my table of contents. What I did is I kept the introduction because I think that's important and that's part of my check sheet. I included the sun because that's the center of our solar system. And I thought that was an important thing to include. I'm not going to spend a lot on the sun, but I thought that was important. And then I split the planets into 2 groups. I did the inner planets and the outer planets. And at the end, I'm going to include a glossary. Okay, so you can organize your writing any way you want. I do suggest that you try to minimize your chapters so it doesn't get overwhelming and so that your chapters have enough content in them. It is a requirement that you do have an introduction because that is part of your checklist that you'll be looking at the end. Also, I think a glossary is very important because vocabulary words and using appropriate words for your topic is something else that's on your checklist. Okay, so notice that I also left the page numbers blank because I don't really know yet how long everything is going to be. Okay, so I did write a page for everything, but I left it blank because I don't know how long it's going to be. Okay, so when you end this video, you should have a table of contents written down. And if you would like, you can take a picture of the video of the table of contents you wrote, and you can send it to your teacher through email or through the Remind app, or you can find a way to show them maybe during a Zoom meeting. Okay? Hopefully this was helpful for you and that you have a good table of contents to work with for our video for next week, where we will start our writing and our second part of our planning stage. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.